This is going to be a short demo where I'm going to show you how to drain a node. I'm going to show this on our Minikube cluster. We only have one node, so I'm just going to drain that one. So kube control, get node. We have one node in the ready status. Let me just schedule something. I'm just going to create our hello world deployment. So let me get the pod list. So all 3 pods are running on one node. Now let's do drain, and our node name is Minikube. The name Minikube comes from get node. So these pods are all going to be removed and cannot be rescheduled. So I'm just going to use force. And if I do kubectl get node, then we can see that scheduling is disabled. We don't have any pods running on it anymore. They're all pending because they cannot schedule on it anymore. If you would try this on your AWS cluster, launch with kops, you would see that these nodes then run on a different node. So that's very simply shown how drain works and how you can use it when you need to put a node in maintenance.